I was invited to this amazing event, and there's a new brand on the loose. It's called Popique. So Popique just released their very first line of skincare products and makeup products. And should I say, this travel bag is really cute. You can put all your skincare products and makeup products. It's really handy, as well as, should I mention, there's a cushion on this and it's really soft. So probably you could use this as a pillow when you travel. So that's a plus points for me. And now we're going to do an unboxing and first impression of the products inside this travel bag. Kudos to Popique because it's a fun makeup brand where it embraces natural beauty. Let's open the bag. Ta-da! Look at all these products, and you could also hang this. Oh my god, that's a lot of products. I can't wait to try all of this. First, let's unbox their skincare line. So the first one is toner. Can we take time to appreciate how they put their love and care on this? As an artist, goes to the team. It's so satisfying. This product claims that it hydrates your skin with every drop of this lightweight essence. Fortified with peptides, the formula boosts moisture, enhances elasticity, and preps your skin for a smooth, balanced glow. So it's also fast-acting hydration. They also have their gel cleanser. It's also a peptide cleanser. So in the box, it says that it has pH balanced formula. The jelly formula removes makeup, oil, and daily buildup, leaving skin clean, supple, and balanced, never stripped. This is what it looks like. So their gel cleanser and their toner. They're using their essentials such as cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and then sunscreen in the morning. You can use this before you put on your makeup. This is their primer, and it's called I'm Ready Blurring Primer, and it also has SPF 15. Very nice. This is their sunscreen. It's called Protect Me Lightweight Sunscreen Lotion. So it has SPF 50+, PA++++. What it looks like. I'm really also excited for this for someone who always have cracked lips. So for this multi-peptide lip balm, it says here in the box, non-sticky, high shine. This is called Kiss Me Multi-Peptide Lip Balms. Pamper your pout with a sheer buildable lip care balm that adds a hint of luscious color and glossy finish while providing deep nourishment. So we'll see that later. This is what it looks like. I got the shade Coastal Cutie Malibu Melon Glam Paradise. For removing makeup, this is their cleansing balm. So it says in the box, Erase Today. Formulated with plant-based oils, it resets your skin with a balm that provides a deep yet weightless cleanse. Let's take a time to appreciate the packaging. I love the packaging. For you to get the product, you're just going to basically twist this. Next one is So Comfy Blur Lipsticks. It says in the box it's buildable. Also, it provides a soft matte finish. Also lightweight. It blurs and smooths lips for comfortable everyday wear. I got the shade Heatwave Sunny Spice Peach Balm. Looks like. Next one is their all-over multi-use cream palette. It's also blendable. It's 3-in-1. You can use it on your cheeks, eyes, lips. So I got Serpent Sand, Pacific Punch, and Cali Peach. So this is the palette. You can use this on your eyes, your cheeks, your lips. This is their Seal It Up Multi-Peptide Water Cream. It claims that it strengthens skin barrier. Dive into a burst of hydration with its fast-absorbing lightweight cream infused with peptides, and it supports a healthy skin barrier and locks in moisture for a plump, balanced, and glowing complexion. I really love their packaging. The next one on their list is Set and Smooth Baked Powder. So this is what it looks like. I got light, medium, 3 to 4, and translucent. It doesn't have talc. So in the box it says, discover the ultimate sheer setting powder with a formula that combines the airy texture of loose powder with the mess-free convenience of a pressed compact. Let's talk about shade range. This is their Face Forward Multi-Complexion Pot. I got the shade BC3 for shadow, shade W6, Brighten UC4 for color correcting, shade W5, and shade C5. This is what it looks like. For my base, I'm going to use shade W6, which is a medium tan neutral warm. To color correct my eye bags, I'm going to use this Brighten using C4, which is a true peach. Then concealing using shade C5, which is a medium neutral cool. I'll be using shade W5, which is a medium true warm. So I'm just going to add this on this part of my face. So when I added shadow BC3, which is a cool contour, it's kind of just going to blend in together. And lastly, for their face forward multi-complexion pot is their cool contour in the shade shadow BC3. Ooh, very pigmented. For me, I wouldn't use this for my lips because as you can see, it's really pale. So I'm going to use this. Pacific Punch is the best color for me when it comes to lips. I love the color. But if I want to go with a natural kind of look, I'll go with Cali Peach and also Surf Sand. For blush, I'm going to try this shimmer first. Shimmer Cream Blush. Switch it on here. I like this better because it pops on my skin. This is eyeshadow. For lipstick, my favorite shade is Heatwave. For their lip balm, I actually like Plum Paradise and Postal Cutie, but I wanna try Plum Paradise for this video as a topper. I think it will do great for a topper as well. For my overall verdict for this first impression, I really love their multi-complexion pot. I think it's really flexible on its own. I love their Set and Smooth Baked Powder. As for this one, I think the only one that I'm going to use for lipstick, I think in this 3 shades that I chose, Pacific Punch is my favorite because since it's buildable, you can add a little bit and so just build it from there. I think this one works for me as someone who has like two-tone lips. This really has a great job covering my two-tone lips and I really love the shade as well. For me, these 2 shades, Cali Peach and Serpent Sand, only works well for my lids and my cheeks. This one for my lips, it works. In my opinion, for their lipstick, so I thought that this lippie is actually going to be saturated on my lips, or because I have two-tone lips, so Peach and Bomb and Sunny Spice appeared desaturated. I think on camera it appears a little bit desaturated, but actual it kind of has color, but the winner for me is Heatwave because it really popped on my lips. I hope this video will help on choosing what's right for you. I can't wait for you to try these products from Popique, and see you guys on my next video. Bye!